Why realtors get such a bad reputation? Real estate is more than just buying and selling homes, right? Real estate is about dreams, it's investments, and very complex emotions. So why, do we have to face so much distrust and skepticism? I think that an issue of miscommunication happens and unrealistic expectations because real estate is very complex and sometimes there is a disconnect between what the clients expect and what's actually realistic. And maybe this can lead to disappointments and a feeling of being misled. Then you have some, pressure tactics, right? The stereotype that we see everywhere of that pushy realtor. I mean, it's real, it exists. And in a very competitive market, the pressure to close deals can make realtors seem very aggressive with their sales strategy, and the clients can feel overwhelmed and manipulated. I think that on top of it, we have the impact of experience or lack thereof, and that can really traumatize clients. Okay, real estate is a field where knowledge and experience can make or break a deal, and newbie mistakes that sometimes are unintentional can have really serious consequences that will end up affecting the deal and ultimately the client's perception of their realtor.